Welcome to the United States Navy eNavFit tutorial series. This tutorial contains audio narration. All information is current as of August 2021. For additional information, visit the Performance Evaluation section found within My Navy HR website or contact My Navy Career Center. Module 12, End-to-End Online Process. The recommended browsers for eNavFit are Google Chrome, Microsoft Edge, and Mozilla Firefox for Windows users, and Apple Safari for Mac users. Note that eNavFit will not operate properly when using Microsoft Internet Explorer. You can access the eNavFit interface through the Bupers Online web portal at www.bol.navy.mil. The online submission process consists of several steps for different user roles. Although the video depicts steps taken from the reporting senior's vantage, these steps, with exception to signature application, can be made by the trusted agent as well. As the reporting senior, select the Manage Summary Group tab from the menu options on the left side of the screen. The Acknowledge Role tab will be displayed. Verify and or update all fields displayed on the web page. Select the Acknowledge button in the Reporting Senior role box on the bottom right side of the screen. Select the OK button from the pop-up window at the top of the screen. Verify that the Date Acknowledge field says Just Now. Select the blue Submit button on the bottom right side of the screen. Note that a reporting senior is only required to acknowledge their user role once. They will only need to acknowledge again if there is a change to their information. As the reporting senior or trusted agent, proceed to the Start Summary Group tab from the menu options on the left side of the screen. A trusted agent will select For Someone Else as Reporting Senior. A reporting senior will select For Yourself as Reporting Senior. Verify the reporting senior data is correct. Select the Summary Group tab at the top. Create a unique summary group name that is identifiable to others. Potential recommendations include the pay grade, appraisal event, date, and or reporting senior's last name. Completed summary group fields will be populated on all appraisals attached to the summary group. Note that the designator and report type fields will be grayed out for enlisted members. Warfare qualifications can be entered on the member's appraisal and are not considered summary group competitive criteria. Select the Reviewer Template tab at the top. Reviewers may be added to the default template using their DoD ID or email address. Additional reviewers can be added using the Add Reviewer button. Additional templates may be created based on the command structure of the unit, such as by division or branch. Ensure that only one rater, senior rater, and or regular reporting senior is added per template. All other reviewers will be listed with the type field blank. Select the Members tab at the top. Members are those personnel that are being evaluated as part of this summer group and will be identified using their DoD ID or email address. Reviewer templates for individual members can be assigned in the Reviewer Template drop-down menu. Additional members can be added using the Add Member Row button. A designator is not required for enlisted personnel. Select the Review tab at the top. Verify all information is consistent with the provided inputs and select the blue Submit button in the bottom right corner. As the reporting senior or trusted agent, proceed to the Manage Summary Group tab on the left side of the screen. Select the Active tab. Select Open on the desired summary group. The Override Command Employment toggle allows the reporting senior or trusted agent to apply individual notations to member reports. Proceed to the Summary Group Status drop-down menu at the bottom right. Select Route from the drop-down options. Select OK, acknowledging that you will be changing the Summary Group status to Route and activating the Reviewer Template distribution. As the reviewer, select Manage Appraisal. Select Appraisals I have access to. Select Open on the desired appraisal from those you have action on. Fill in the blank fields on the Member tab, providing inputs for the member listed, and proceed to the Reporting Senior tab. Verify that the correct reporting senior is listed and proceed to the Report tab. Ensure that the correct occasion for report is selected and enter the date following the member's last report into the From field. If this is a concurrent report, select the toggle under that type of report. In the midterm counseling block, enter the date and counselor name if counseling was completed normally. If it was not required, make the selection from the Counseling Performance drop-down menu. If counseling was not performed, make that selection and provide a reason for non-performance in the counselor name field. Note that signature of individual counseled is no longer required for online submissions. eNavFit provides the capability to provide messages in a reviewer comments block at the bottom of the screen. This field persists while a document is in a route status and is viewable by all following reviewers on the reviewer template. Select the Command Duties tab. The Command Employment and Achievements field should not be editable by the reviewer. Provide inputs for the primary duty code and primary collateral and watchstanding duties fields. Note that these fields have spell check capability. Select the Performance Traits tab. Enter the individual performance trait values. Note that the tooltip found by clicking the question mark icon describes the individual value based on the descriptions within the NavPer 16XX form. The retention recommendation is defaulted to recommended, but can be changed to not recommended by selecting the toggle switch below the trait values. Note that this will trigger an adverse evaluation. Select a promotion recommendation from the drop-down menu. Note that the interface will not validate based on previous appraisal inputs for significant problems or progressing. Provide inputs for the recommendation fields. Select the Comments Quals tab. The Comments field is limited to 18 lines based on the NavPer 16XX forms, and the form will display lines and character counts in the boxes above the Input field when you click out of the field. Similar to other text fields, spell check is enabled. Provide inputs to the Qualifications and Achievements fields. Once you've completed your review, select Next Reviewer at the bottom to save the appraisal inputs and route the appraisal to the next reviewer. If no other reviewers exist, the reporting senior and trusted agent will receive notification that the review is complete. Selecting a tab that is currently open will refresh the screen. As a reporting senior or trusted agent, select Manage Summary Group. Select the Active tab. Select Open on the desired summary group. When all reports have been reviewed, the interface will automatically place the summary group into a reviewed status. Click OK on the pop-up dialog box acknowledging this event. Select Save for the status change to take effect. You may review any changes to the appraisals by using the Show Hide toggle switch next to the member name. Select the Sign status from the Summary Group Status drop-down menu. This status allows users to apply their electronic signature to the appraisals. Select OK on the pop-up dialog. Note that all fields will be locked for editing, and if a senior rater was not selected on the reviewer template, the alternative signature, None Available, will be applied. Select the Reports tab. In the Signatures tab on the left, alternative signatures can be applied from Manage Summary Group by using the Alt-Sig toggle switch and selecting a reason from the drop-down menu. As the reporting senior, select the Member tab. Select the Open button. This button allows the user to shift from a summary group level to the appraisal level. Select the Signatures tab. Select the Sign button within the Reporting Senior section to apply an electronic signature to the appraisal. Select the OK button on the pop-up dialog box. As the member, select the Manage Appraisal tab. Under My Appraisals, select the Sign button. Proceed to the Signatures tab. Prior to signing, the member must select their intention to submit a statement. With the statement complete, the Member Sign button will enable and allow the user to select it. Select OK to acknowledge the application of an electronic signature. The interface will perform a validation check and save the record. Note that appraisals must be signed using the same method. For example, if the reporting senior signs the appraisals electronically within the interface, all signatories must enter eNavFit and apply their electronic signatures. If a signature is applied to the PDF document, then all signatures should be applied to the PDF document. To review, print, or save a completed appraisal, select the View Report button. Depending on user settings, the appraisal may open in a browser or Adobe program. Use the print or download buttons in the Adobe program as desired. As the reporting senior or trusted agent, to submit reports, select the Manage Summary group. Select the summary group that needs to be submitted to Navy Personnel Command. When all required signatures have been applied, the summary group will automatically proceed to the completed status. Select OK to acknowledge and update the summary group status, and then Save for the changes to take effect. Select the Submit to PERS button. Select OK to confirm submission. You can refresh any listings by selecting the tab that you are on or using the browser refresh buttons. To review submission, select the Manage Summary Group tab. Select the Submitted tab. Reports will remain in a submitted status while being processed by the server. This concludes Module 12 End-to-End Online Process. Additional information can be found on the My Navy HR website or by contacting the My Navy Career Center.